Think about this for a moment. Every single day, thousands of people search on Google for things like dry cleaners near me, dry cleaning service near me, best dry cleaners near me, and most business owners don't even realize how much demand already existed around them. Now, the question is, are those customers finding your business or your competitors? If you are a local business owner looking for leads and inquiries and you want 200 to 300 high quality ready to convert leads every month consistently, then this video is for you. Hi, I am Shabnam from GBP Wizards and let's get started. There are many ways to generate leads today, but in this video, I will show you the best and complete free method that brings high intent customers, people who are already searching to take your service. Let me explain this with a real case study. We recently worked with a client from Bangalore who runs a franchise-based dry cleaning business called Bumble Dry. He had taken the franchise around 6 months ago. The business was ready, the setup was ready, the services were active. But there was a big problem. He was not getting enough inquiries or calls. That's when he found us and clearly told us, I need leads and inquiries from the business. When we analyzed the situation, we found something shocking. His business was not listed properly on Google at all, which means even though thousands of people were searching every month for dry cleaning services in Bangalore, his business was invisible. Here is the reality. In Bangalore alone, dry cleaner near me, 10,000 to 1 lakh searches per month. Cleaning for clothes near me, 10,000 to 10 lakh plus searches per month. Dry and clean near me have hundreds of high intent searches. Dry wash near me, dry clean shop near me, and many more searches are there. These are not browsing searches. These are people who want service now. So what did we do is we created, verified and properly optimized his Google business profile. And here is the best part. We verified the profile and made the phone number live in just 3 days. For more business owners, this same issue takes weeks or even months to fix. Once the profile went live and started ranking locally, the business became visible on Google search and maps. Customers could call him directly from Google. High intent leads started coming in organically. And this is the power of properly optimized Google business profile. With the right setup and optimization, a local business like dry cleaning can easily get, from last 60 days, they have received 64 calls and it's improving every month. Absolutely for free. No ads, no paid promotions, no commissions. Just Google working for your business. The client was extremely happy with the results. If you are watching this and thinking, my business is not visible on Google, I am not getting calls or inquiries, I don't want to spend money on ads, I want consistent local leads, then remember this. Customers are already searching. The only question is, can they find you? So contact GBP Wizards. We help local businesses turn Google into a free lead generation machine. Thanks for watching and we'll see in the next case study.